morning students, welcome back to computer science classes of class 12. Today we are going to cover some network security concepts. So why do we have this network security concepts? These are the policies that is adopted by the network administrator so that when we are online, the authorized access can be done, or we can stop the unauthorized access and the misuse of network resources. It also ensures that the authorized users have adequate access to the network resources. So, authorization and unauthorization is all done with the help of these policies. Now, first we will learn what is virus. Virus is a malicious program that attaches itself to the host program. Now, it also gets executed each time the host program is executed. So, they can spread through external media like CDs, browsing infected internet sites, and from email attachments. Now, we have got to know that what is virus. Now, we have to understand what are the symptoms. If your computer, your system is affected by virus, then what are the things that you can understand that this is affected by virus. So, it takes longer time to load applications, shows unpredictable program behavior, and the file sizes changes drastically. And moreover, if you see that your computer is not getting booted or it's not able to start properly. And the last one is some unwanted or strange messages are coming on the screen. So, that is we can consider them as the symptoms of virus infection. Now, let us understand what are the types of viruses. We have got almost 3 types of viruses. It's file virus, boot sector virus, and macro virus. So, file virus is actually when the virus is affected with the, or viruses are attached with the programs with .exe or .com extensions. And then boot sector virus, it affects the boot sector of floppy disk or hard drives, and it contains program that participates in booting of the system. And that's why if boot sector virus affects the computer, then the booting gets delayed. Then macro virus. These viruses infect and replicate using the MS Office or MS Word and MS Excel. And these inserts unwanted words or phrases in the document. Now, next we have got worm. Worms are again malicious program, but unlike viruses, they does not need to attach with any host. They replicate themselves as an independent object. No need to someone have to just run it, which is actually there with the viruses. Now, it uses security holes in a computer networks to replicate itself, and it can transfer itself from one computer to another with the help of networks. The Trojan Horse. Trojan Horse is again a malicious program, but it has got some hidden malicious functions. What it does, it shows that it is a harmless one, but it actually a harmful one. Okay. And Moreover, we cannot call it as virus because it cannot replicate itself. Now the next we have got spams. Spams, all of you know, spam is nothing but sending mails in a bulk, and those mails are unwanted and unsolicited. So basically this has been done for commercial advertisement, in addition to wasting people's time, and spam also eats up your lots of network bandwidth. It makes your things slower. Now next we have got cookies. Cookies are nothing but small text files, and that has been sent from the web server to, or you can say web server to the web browser. And what it does, it contains the name of the website from which it has come and a unique ID tag, and it lasts until the browser is closed. So whenever you are online, you would find lots of cookies over your website. Now how you will understand that this is having a cookie? Like if you have opened a YouTube channel or anything, you have just opened YouTube and then searching something, and after that you have logged out. Whenever next time you will log in, whatever you have searched, the similar things will come on your page, home page of the YouTube, without searching. So this is a type of cookie only. We'll understand what are the different types of cookies we can have. First, we have got first party cookie. These are set by website visited by the user, and their work is to collect, basically they collect the number of things for calculating page views, sessions, number of users, okay, and it is basically used and shared with advertisers and ad agencies. Now the next we have got third party cookies. I have given you example of YouTube. Yeah, so that one is the example of third party cookies. It is set by the domains and that are not directly visited by the user. Okay. So once the third party cookie is installed, or you are tracked, the user is tracked when you are online, and they save their information for ad targeting or behavioral advertisement. Now next we have got session cookies. Session cookies either expire immediately or within a few seconds of the user leaving the web browser. The moment they leave the web browser, they expire. Among other users, these cookies are used by e-commerce websites to remember the product placed in the cart by the user. Got it? So whenever you have opened your email, your Myntra account or Flipkart account, and you are searching something, you have added it to cart and then left it, or even you haven't added, you have just searched it. Next time whenever you will log in, you will find similar type of, if you have searched first time trousers, you will get trousers of different brands, ads of different trousers brands. Okay, so this is the work of session cookies. Now the next we have got persistent cookies. As the name suggests, they stay on user's browser for long period of time, and they are required to have an expiration date which could be anything between 2 to 10 years, it depends, and they are used by publishers to track a single user and his interaction with their websites. So be careful whenever you are online, you can be tracked from anywhere. Next we have got firewall. Firewall is a hardware or software based network security system. It prevents unauthorized access to or from a network, and it prevents unauthorized internet users to access private networks connected to the internet. Getting it? So firewall examines all traffic routed between the two networks to see if it meets certain criteria. And it is both inbound and outbound traffic. It actually filters the inbound and outbound traffic. So firewall is again a very important one. With this, we end our session today. If you have any doubt, we'll explain. Thank you.